We begin tonight with continuing coverage of the COVID-19 emergency here in Arkansas.
Want to bring the latest from the health department tonight. The state adding nearly 3,000 cases today. There are more than 21,000 active cases across the state. 17 more Arkansans have died due to the virus. The Department of Health confirming one of those deaths was someone under 18. More than 1,200 people are still in the hospital this evening. Turning to vaccines, the state administering more than 11,000 doses yesterday.
We've got team coverage tonight on the COVID-19 emergency, including debate on the mask mandate law happening across the state, including the state capitol. Our Jay Burr is there tonight. And Jay, the efforts to amend the law appear to have failed.
Yeah, and we were really questioning if there was really a realistic chance of any of that passing. Obviously, those confirmed today as the House Public Health Committee had debate raging on once again here in day 2 of the special session. Lawmakers discussing 2 separate bills on masks today. A new one introduced by Representative Tippy McCullough would have allowed for school districts, but also open enrollment charter schools and publicly run daycares to implement their own mask mandates. Now, much of the discussion today on this particular bill was also on the effectiveness in general of masks.
It is time for our state leaders to set aside rhetoric, egos, and politics, and to do what is right for the public health of our citizens.
They are not your children. They are the parents' children. They are the students that you are charged with educating, and you're doing a lousy job.
And again, that bill failed, and the committee then took up amendments to the bill that they heard yesterday. That bill ultimately failed with those amendments as well. So now the House will meet tomorrow morning at 8:30 to take up the federal PUA law, and then they say they will be done with their business here. Speaker of the House, Matthew Shepard, holding a press conference just a couple of hours ago. He says he does not believe that the special session should or needs to be extended, as there have been several other bills that have been filed on these subject matters, and there was a House resolution extending the special session to take up some other matters that could have gotten 2/3 votes. He believes that those votes are not there at this time. He also says, when asked about if this was just really a waste of time with state government, he says he never thinks that listening to Arkansans is a waste of time. And again, special session technically not over, so much more could definitely happen coming up tomorrow. But for now, live outside the state capitol, Jay Burr, KARK 4 News.
Governor Hutchinson released a statement on the 2 mask mandate bills failing, saying, quote, "I am disappointed by the actions of the House Public Health Committee today. It is conservative, reasonable, and compassionate to allow local school districts to protect those students who are under 12 and not eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine." He goes on to say that the cases and quarantines at the Marion School District during the last week illustrate the urgency of action. If we're going to have a successful school year, then the local school districts need to have flexibility to protect those that are at risk.